left the court. This matter, that is Commissioner of Police, Federal Capital Territory Command against Sowore and Sowore reporters. Just like we have always said, it's very important we brief the public on this matter because of the public interest nature of it. This matter was brought to court in 2022.
2021?
Yes. Formally, we appeared in court in 2022. But the truth of the matter is that the law under which that charge was brought to court was considered by the parliament of this country. That law was extensively considered by the parliament of this country, and they repeat that law. Section 24 subsection 1 paragraph B of Cybercrime Prohibition Prevention Act 2015 was so personalized that it was enacted to represent the ego of individuals who are in power. It talks about insult, it talks about annoyance, which is very, very subjective. If I say anything that annoy the other person, the person can take me up under that law. That is very, very subjective. Annoyance is subjective. Annoyance is even subject to temper. But the parliament of this country considered that law. They have abrogated that law. The law that exists today under Cybercrime Prohibition Prevention Amendment Act 2024 is about the security of the state. Whatever that threatens war or the security of the country, that is the law that is in existence. And we are saying that if the parliament of this country has repealed a law, we are calling on courage from the court to declare that law repealed. There cannot be a trial under a law that is already repealed. We are in court today under a charge that was filed in 2022 when that obsolete law was in existence. And we are saying that there cannot be a trial under a repealed law. We are saying that it is not about whether there is a criminal proceedings. As we speak today, there are some criminal proceedings. The commencement of criminal trial is not the filing of a charge. We have instances in this country where rich people in power, they fight charges against them. I never saw the light of the day. You cannot let claim to the fact that there was a criminal proceedings. What begins criminal proceedings is arraignment. There is no arraignment in 2022. The parliament now considered that law to be so arbitrary, and they repeat that law. And they replace it with a law that is more of public nation. And somebody still coming under that repeal law to say that we must go on. And we are saying that, look, what the law says is that if arraignment are taking place, that means the process is already in place. You can now continue that, okay, we have started before the amendment. But no, this one, there is no arraignment in 2022. And if the prosecution or whoever that is going to reason from the other side is saying, why has there not been arraignment? It makes some mention of something that they refuse to take place. Why are you talking about the procedure of the law as if it's triviality? If you have not done the right thing and somebody and you cannot bring the person to properly take plea, it's not about refusal. Can anybody refuse to take plea before the court? No. Nobody can refuse to take plea. Because you have not done the elementary things that is required of you. Proper service has not been done. And if you have not fulfilled that procedure, that means you have not come proper before the court. And what we are just saying today is that we are calling on courage from the bench to support what the parliament has spoken loudly, that law has no place in a modern society. We are calling on our court to also support the voice of the parliament so that the citizens can have a place to breathe. And one thing that is very, very important is that all of this energy we are displaying is Mr. Sowore is just a single individual. But I am telling you that in this matter of today, he represents the voice of those people who have been under the oppressive tendencies of that law that is repealed. Having spoken out and having all of us come together like this, we are speaking for the entire, particularly the downtrodden who will not have protection if that law had not been repealed. And that is the reason why we are calling on the citizens. Whatever update you are making, we have the right to make it. It's a matter of public interest. We know the matter is in court, but we are saying there are no arraignment yet, and we are saying that the citizens must be aware that the parliament of this country has spoken. We have been blaming the parliament, but today they have spoken. They said no, it's bad. They took it off. We are calling on the court to support that position. Thank you so much.
Thank you.